Why the lat pull-down matters.
The lat pull-down is a key move for building upper back strength and muscle definition. This exercise targets the latissimus dorsi, the broad muscles across your mid-back. Mastering form means safer workouts, better muscle engagement, and maximum results. Whether you're training for aesthetics, power, or better posture, learning correct technique sets you on the road to progress.
Setting up for success.
Adjust the seat and pad so your thighs are secure and your feet are flat. Grab the bar with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, palms facing forward. Sit tall, chest lifted, and lean back just slightly, no slouching. Ensuring proper setup means you activate the right muscles and prevent strain on your shoulders or lower back.
Executing the perfect pull.
So initiate the pull by bringing your shoulder blades down and together before bending your elbows. As you pull the bar down, aim for your upper chest, not behind your neck. Keep your wrists straight and avoid using momentum or swinging your body. A controlled movement maximizes muscle tension and lowers injury risk.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Don't arch your back excessively, use too much weight, or pull the bar behind your neck. These habits can strain your shoulders and spine, reducing effectiveness and safety. Keep the motion steady and full range, fully extending your arms at the top and stopping just above your chest at the bottom for clean reps every time.
Optimizing for muscle gains.
Focus on slow, controlled reps and squeeze your back muscles at the bottom of each pull. Adjust your grip width occasionally to target different areas. Consistency combined with progressive overload, gradually increasing resistance, will build strength and muscle size. Good form and proper recovery keep your gains coming and help prevent setbacks.